Hello and welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this wireless earbuds from Langsdom. Alright, here we go. I really like the design of this. It looks futuristic, yet simple. The earbuds won't fall out. It's sucked in by magnets. The design of this is really cool. This charger box is very easy to use. When you open the box, it automatically turns on. When this LED light turns red, that means the battery life is below 15%. And to charge this box, you just plug in the USB Type-C at the very bottom. It takes about an hour and a half to fully charge. When it's charging, this will flash for 30 seconds and then turn off. When it's fully charged, this LED light will turn on and stay solid. When this is fully charged, it can recharge your earbuds maximum 4 times. To charge your earbuds, you just pop it in like this, one left and one on the right. When the LED light is on, that means it's charging. And when it's off, that means it's fully charged. It takes about 1 hour to charge, and the earbuds can last up to 6 hours. I use these when I work out. They sit in my ear pretty good, they never fall out. The sound quality is decent, but if you're looking for listening to loud music, these earbuds don't go that loud.